So we got all our dry ingredients. I'm just gonna mix them slightly. We got our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, all in here. I think that's it. Yeah. And in this bowl we have egg, melted strawberry butter, milk, vanilla, and I think that's it. Yep, that's it. And I'm about to mix the two. I have to turn my camera off for a minute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add the wet to the dry. Ooh, big splashy. And stir. Stir it until it looks like your box mix batter, except it's going to have chunks of strawberry. In mine, anyway. Okay, I have to put the camera down so I can hold the bowl and stir it. And I'll pick it up in a minute. So I stirred my batter, holding the bowl, and we got a nice batter. And I will start cooking them. This will pretty much be the only time I butter the pan, because the first pancake won't be nice and golden brown. It'll kind of have rings around it. You'll see. And after I make like 1 or 2 pancakes, then I cook beautifully golden brown pancakes. So we're going to get some batter in the pan. So we got the pancakes starting to cook. We got the temperature a little high for the first one. So let it cook away. I'll back up. Oh, spaghetti sauce still on my stove. Don't mind it.
Portagaiola is a really dramatic and different way to receive a bowl. It shows us what it's supposed to look like.
Not ready yet.
But doesn't offer any protection from the bowl.
We want a bunch of bubbles coming through the top.
Okay,
I'm going to stop the video for now. Okay, so here we go. There we go. First pancake done. See what I mean? It's got like that ring around it. It's not perfectly golden brown. It's got I
thought that this would be over in a matter of hours. I thought it would be in there and chicken treatment.
The syrup. We got the strawberries.
People lost their legs and stuff.
There we have it. I'm only having 1 pancake. Pretty pathetic. I took out 1 pancake, but that's all I can eat. Can't eat no more of it. But it was delicious and tasted like toaster strudel without the crunch. Yum yum. Homemade from scratch, everything except strawberries. They were grown.